So now we continue on to fill in the blank with placeholder text. So web developers traditionally use lorem ipsum text as placeholder text. So the lorem ipsum text is randomly scraped from a famous passage by Cicero of ancient Rome. Lorem ipsum text has been used as placeholder text by typesetters since the 16th century, and this tradition continues on the web. Well, 5 centuries is long enough. Since we are building a cat photo app, let's use something called kitty ipsum text, right? So what they want us to do is to replace the text inside the P element with the first few words of this kitty text, right? So I'm not really gonna type all this out, I just wanna copy and paste it. So replace the text inside of the P element. So we go inside here, we eliminate the content, and I'm just gonna use Control V to paste it in. And there is the kitty ipsum text. So there really isn't much to comment on as far as lorem ipsum. Basically, it's all it is filler text, right? So last video, I was typing in a bunch of like, this is filler text, has no meaningful whatever. And instead of doing that, I could have just Googled lorem ipsum, and I would find something like this. And I can click on this, and it would generate a bunch of basically filler text, something you can just take from, copy, paste it, right? And so all it is basically filler text just to get you a feel of how text would look on your site. So for instance, for this site, we want to use a paragraph with quite a few lines on it. So we want to copy it from here and just show what it would look like. So I would say that lorem ipsum is a good set of placeholder text. Why? Because not everyone knows exactly what is considered appropriate or inappropriate. So you don't just want to get random text online that's when somebody else looks at and reads may have raise some questionable eyebrows. So lorem ipsum is usually pretty safe. So if you want to fill up your website while you're still building it up with some filler text, lorem ipsum is pretty safe. All right, so let's just go ahead and run the test, and boom, you got this.